So now you have referred a few of your friends and you've got some referral credits in your bank on Tesla now. What do you do with those? What can you use them for? How can you redeem them? So let's start off what they are. So referral credits are when you provide your referral link to a friend or colleague and they use that link to purchase a new Tesla. They will get either $1,000 US or $1,300 Canadian off the purchase price of their brand new first time purchase of a Tesla. In return, Tesla will give you $500 US or $650 Canadian that you can use to purchase supercharging, merchandise, and software upgrades for your Tesla. You can do this online through your Tesla account, or you can go and use the app, the Tesla app on your phone, and do those purchases on there. So I'm going to show you how to set up your supercharging referrals so that you can use that instead of paying for it from your credit card. And then if you want to go ahead and purchase any things, like I bought this t-shirt here on referral credits off the Tesla website. It was fairly straightforward. You go in there, you pick the items that you want to purchase. So there's no limitation like last time where it was some things were available and some weren't. Anything on the Tesla store is available to purchase using those referral credits. So what you'll do, again, if you're doing this from the web, you'll log into your Tesla account, go ahead and select the items that you want to purchase, put them in your cart, and on the last step where it has your credit card listed, do the drop-down menu and select Tesla credits. This way, they will use those funds prior to using your credit card. So if it's less than what's available on your Tesla credits, they'll just take the cost out of that balance. If it's more, they will use the credits to start with and then charge the remaining part of that purchase to using your credit card. That's on your file. Anyway, let's go ahead and I'll show you how it's done on the app. I know a couple of people are a little bit confused on how to set up their supercharging and then how to purchase items. Like you can purchase full self-driving. It's $8,000 for your car. If you were to refer 10 people, that's $5,000. So that means you could purchase full self-driving for your car for the total cost of $3,000 US plus applicable taxes. That's an amazing deal. Be awesome. That's something that I'm looking possibly to do, but I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and purchase or set up your Tesla credits for supercharging. So let's go take a look at that. So this is how you would set up your supercharging using your Tesla credits. You'll scroll, take the three lines at the top. Go ahead and click on the 3 lines at the top. Select charging, manage payment. So as you can see, I have my credit card on file for all supercharging costs. All you need to do is click on that and select your Tesla credits. Go ahead and back out, and the next time you go to supercharge, it should take that charge. If you're looking at purchasing items, then click on Discover. Go to Shop. I've got something in my thing already. So here I have my shirt. I just picked something out of my shirt. I've got my address where it's going to be billed at, but you can see down here it says add gift card, but above that it says the credit card on file. I'm going to click on that, and then you can select your Tesla credits. That's how easy it is to purchase something on the store on Tesla. And so if you click the add 8,000, it's going to take you to the checkout. There it is right there. Use Tesla credits. So there you go. With the credits I have right now, it's $7,798. You can see it's fairly straightforward on how you can use your referral credits. You can use them for the software upgrade. You saw that when I was trying to run it through full self-driving. So you can see that you can use the credits for any upgrades that I saw there. And then also you could purchase t-shirts or any of the stuff. Like you could get a full set of winter tires with the rubbers on there for a few $1,000s. And with the credits I have now, that'd be a fairly good deal to get them for the price minus that $900. Anyway, the only one I haven't been able to figure out is how to use the credits to purchase a car. So I'm going to stop at my local Tesla here down in Seattle, and I'm going to ask them that how to use the credits towards the purchase of a car, because it doesn't seem within the app you can say I want to use this to cut the cost right off. But again, I'd like to know how that process is done. So if you've used any of your credits to purchase a car, please leave a comment down below for all the other people that are looking to figure out how to do that, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that would like to use my credits towards a new purchase of a car. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on my next video.